Signs it might be time to ask for some support. These are some times that you should consider asking for help. When you're noticing that your body and physical energy has changed or feels more depleted, if you're constantly feeling tired, low energy, having more aches and pains, even noticing that you're starting to feel sick more frequently, it might be time to ask for help. You start to notice that you're feeling more emotionally reactive than usual, or things start to bother you more easily. You find that your mood fluctuates more frequently and extremely. You're feeling worried, sad, or down, angry or frustrated, or feeling apathetic. It might be time to ask for some help. When you start to procrastinate or procrastination increases, you start avoiding classes, assignments, or your grades begin to slip, it might be also time to ask for some help. When you start to avoid people, places, and activities that you used to enjoy, relationships in your life feel unsatisfied, disconnected, or disinteresting, you start to withdraw, isolate, or disengage in the things that you enjoy doing, it might be time to ask for some help. One place to get some support and help working through these concerns is CAPS, or Counseling and Psychological Services. CAPS is available to students enrolled at Santa Clara University, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And for after hours and weekends, you can reach CAPS 24/7 for immediate support, and that information can be found on our website.